Look at this. I can't believe a grown man would be going down a slide like that.
You made me.
That was funny.
What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin with the Boones, and we're here at Broadway at the Beach, more specifically, the Hangout. Find out what's happening on a Saturday afternoon before we go out to eat tonight. Let's see what's going on.
And a drink. And a drink.
So this right here is called the Bushwhacker. And I didn't know what it was going to be, but my son got it. And it's absolutely delicious. That's going to be Bunny Bee's new drink from now on. Taste it.
All right, quit sipping on that.
What is it?
It's called the Bushwhacker.
What's in a bushwhacker?
It's ice cream,
coffee.
coffee liqueur, and something else.
Alright, good.
Hurry.
I want the chocolate. Tastes like milk. Is that milk in it?
I'll back up.
Well, that was a quick swing by here at the Hangout down at Broadway, Myrtle Beach. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep up with more videos. And as always, keep beaching.
What?
Do I need to do it one more time?
That was good.